Assalamu alaikum. If you want to watch new videos on our channel, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Moreover, for appreciation, like our video and share it with your friends. You can also comment below giving your suggestions. Now let's start today's video. The conjunction. A conjunction is a joining word. It joins words or phrases or clauses, sentences together. Samina and Zarina and Ziba went for a walk. A walk, arise or forever be fallen. All may oppose me, yet I will fight. Our oldest friend is present as well as others. The questions were difficult as well as long. We were not only punished but also fined. She is silent while you are talking, either sleep or walk. All the words above in italics are conjunctions, for example, and, yet, as well as, etc. Kinds of conjunctions. Number 1. Coordinating conjunctions. These connect two or more nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, or prepositions. They are and, but, for, nor, yet. These connect two or more independent clauses or sentence parts. Rashid and Arshad are friends now, but they were not last year. And connects the two nouns or subjects Rashid, Arshad, but connects the first clause with the second clause. They were not last year. They traveled to Gujranwala and then to Gujrat. The two prepositional phrases to Gujranwala to Gujrat are connected by the coordinating conjunction and correlative conjunctions. These function as a set. They are like coordinating conjunctions as they connect words in the same situation in a sentence. They are either or, neither nor, both and, whether or, not only but also. They would like to stay either with Shahid or with Hamid. Either connects Shahid and Hamid. Rabia not only helps me with my homework but also plays tennis with me. Not only but also connects two clauses. Subordinating conjunctions. They connect subordinate clauses to independent clauses. Subordinate clauses cannot stand by themselves and independent clauses can function independently. The teacher taught well because he knew the subject. Because connects the coordinate clause. He knew the subject with the independent clause. The teacher taught well. Rabia not only helps me with my homework but also plays tennis with me. Not only but also connects the clauses. Subordinating conjunctions. Time, after, as long as soon as, before, since, until, when, whenever, while. Manner, as if, as though. Cause, because. Condition, although, as long as, even if, even though, if, provided that, though, unless, while. Purpose, in order that, so that, that. These can work as conjunctions or prepositions. A subordinating conjunction goes together with a word group having a verb. A preposition works with a word group without a verb. Subordinating conjunction. We watch TV after the sunset. Preposition. We watch TV after sunset.